Hello everyone, welcome to Neutron. So today we'll be doing the Master Vocab series level 2 revision 1. So this is the weekly schedule of the classes. So you can take a screenshot of it. Okay. And I would also like to inform you that the timings have changed from 4 p.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay. So without any further ado, let's begin with the today's session. Okay. So there is a word given and there are 4 options and we have to choose the right meaning of that word. Okay, so let's begin. The first word is aperture. So aperture means an opening. Okay. The next word is arrogant. So the options are lazy, proud, poor, rich. So arrogant means to be proudy. Okay. Next word is arid. The options are hot, dusty, bitter and dry. Okay. So arid means dry. Next is avarice. Avarice means praise, advice, greed or mirth. So what is the meaning? The meaning is greed. The next word is dearth. The options are joy, sorrow, abundance and lack. So the right answer is lack. The next word is comely. So the options are comic, serious, good looking and plump. So comely means good looking. The next word is oblique. So the options are upright, slanting, transparent and thick. So obliques mean something which is slanting. The next word is peruse. So the options are follow, read, discuss and answer. So the right answer is read. The next word is vagrant. So the options are strong, vague, unimportant and wandering. So the right answer is wandering. The next word is frugal. The options are neat, economist, old-fashioned and musical. So okay, so there is a correction and it is economical, not economist. Okay, it is economical. So the right answer is economical. The next word is insinuate. So the options are hint, burn, imprison or teach. So the right answer is hint. The next word is pensive. So the options are happy, old, thoughtful or ridiculous. So the right answer is being thoughtful. The next word is immaculate. So the options are white, new, untidy and flauntless. So the right answer is flauntless. Okay. The next is dexterity. So the options are speed, skill, strength and success. So the right answer is skill. The next word is austere. So the options are stern, wrinkled, crooked or wise. So the right answer is stern. The next word is curtail. So the options are dance, leap, shorten and lengthen. So the right answer is shorten. The next word is deluge. So the options are storm, accident, flood or heat wave. So the right answer is flood. The next word is erroneous. So the options are reasonable, expensive, incorrect and malicious. So the right answer is incorrect. The next word is obliterate. So the options are hit, run, erase and leave. So the right answer is erase. The next word is respite. So the options are recipe, receipt, quarrel and pause. So the right answer is pause. Okay. So moving on to the next exercise. Okay. So what does it say? It says replace each word or expression in italics by a word from lesson 1, 2 or 3. Okay. So it is not italics. So I will underline it. Okay. So the statement says, the first statement says the Eskimos in the far north live to a great extent on fish. Okay, so the word here is live. So the word for live is subsist. Okay, the next is there has never been a burglary here thanks to the watchfulness of the janitor. So the word for watchfulness is vigilance. Okay, so the third statement says the woman's eyes grew large with pleasure when she saw how happy the children were. So the word for grew large is dilate. Then the fourth sentence says the bad condition of the roads delayed us. Okay, so the word here is delayed. So what is the one word for delayed us? It is retard. Okay. The next sentence says, if the leaking roof is not repaired, the damage to my bedroom ceiling is liable to occur again. Okay, so the one word for occur is recur. The next sentence says, he sold his holdings in our company because he thought its failure was soon to happen. So the word here is soon to happen. So one word for soon to happen is imminent. Okay. The seventh sentence says, because he broke the game laws, he was imprisoned for a week. So the word for broke is transgress. Okay. Breaking the law means, breaking the game laws means transgression. Okay. The next sentence says, a popular new feature was the serving of refreshments after the meeting. Okay, so the word here for new feature is innovation. Okay, so the next sentence is, the stewardess tried to quiet our fears when the storm broke. So the word underlined here is quiet our fears. Okay, so the one word for it is evade. There is no longer disagreement among the officers of the society. So the word here is disagreement. So the one word for disagreement is dissension. Okay. Okay. The next sentence says, one look at his mournful face told us that our team had lost. So what is the one word for mournful face? It is doleful. The next sentence, it says, we like the fresh greenness of the countryside. So what is the one word of greenness is verdure. Okay, so moving on to the next exercise. So in this exercise B, it says, match up each word in column 1 with a suitable word or expression in column 2. Write the word from column 2 in its correct place beside the column 1. Okay. So the words are given in column 1 and column 2, and we have to put the right word in front of the column 1 from the column 2. Okay. So the first word is anonymous. So what can be anonymous? Anonymous, it can be writer. Okay. The next is swarthy. Swarthy means black in color. So what can be black in color? It can be skin. The next is contagious. So what can be contagious? Illness. Okay. The next word is devastate. So what will be the one word for devastate? It will be the countryside. Okay. The next word is incessant. So what will be incessant? The noise will be incessant. Okay. The next word is stagnant. So what can be stagnant? Pond can be stagnant. Okay. So moving on to the next exercise, it says, underline the italics word which gives the correct meaning for each of the following sentences. Okay. So here is a sentence given and there are two options given, and we have to choose which one will be fit in this. Okay. So let us see. When asked about an election, the premier evaded the question. So what will be the right answer? The premier evaded the questions. Okay. A man who has not paid his taxes is not eligible or illegible for municipal office. So here we are talking about a post, so it will be eligible. Okay. The next, it says, you must do your best to dispel or expel the poor impression you made on the visitors. Okay. So what you will do? You will dispel. Okay. The next sentence, it says, the enemy plotted to foment rebellion in our ranks. Okay. So whenever we are talking about rebellion, so it will be foment. Okay. The manager conceded or receded that the workers' demands were fair. So what will be the right answer? The answer will be concluded. Okay, sorry, it's not concluded, it's conceded. It's conceded. Spelling mistake. Okay. Okay. The next sentence, it says the beneficial use of atomic energy is an absorbent or absorbing study. So when you are talking about study, so it will be absorbing. Okay, indulging yourself into the study. Okay. So moving on to the next exercise. So it says fill in the blanks with the most suitable word from those listed below. Okay. So there are 10 words given and we have to fill in the blanks. Okay. So let us read out and see which word fits where. Okay. Peering through a dash in the rocks. So what can you peer through? You can peer through a fissure in the rock. Okay. Means a crack in the rocks. The members of the rescue party gazed over the edge of the glacier into a dark dash. So what will be here? It will be abyss. Okay. So let me take out the options: abyss and fissure. Okay. Retracing their steps, they came at last to a second gorge, from where they were able to descry far to the right the wrecked airplane. Around it several figures moved while others lay dashed. So the others lay, what will be here? It will be here inert. Okay. Knowing the dash of the northern climate. So what can be in the fill in the blanks? Knowing the rigors. Okay, and realizing that the survivors had some days been suffering and had for some days been suffering serious, what can be, serious privations. Okay, and the rigors. Okay, the rescuers wasted no time. Their struggle against snow and ice reads like a modern dash. It reads like a modern epic. Okay. In order to descend their only dash was to hack a footing in the precipitous face of the slope. So what will be here? In order to descend their only resource. Okay. The prospect of a venture dash with such hazards means it will be fraught fraught with such hazards was enough to dash the bravest heart. Here the word will be daunt. Okay.